Welcome to the personal property tour for 75 Dunnikier Road in Kirkcaldy. This is a retail unit in a prime location. You've got commuter traffic, either foot traffic or driving. You're also in a great spot as far as the window frontage that you have, and you're on a great junction as well. I'll show you that in 1 second though. All the details about the property are in the link above. If you click on that, you'll get the important information about the property and the all-important price point. And I'm just going to take you on the tour. So this is the property here, so you can see you've got all of this frontage here. You've got frontage here as well, but where it is actually on Dunnikier Road, you can see you're almost right up at the junction. So you've got Charlie Reid Travel just here. You're opposite where the church is. You've got all your traffic options down here for parking, etc. So you're in quite a good thoroughfare and lots of commercial businesses and premises around you as well. Let's head on in. As we come in, you can see you've got the frontage part of it. So this was originally, or previously even, a hairdresser's. So there is the opportunity to do that. You do have plumbing, but you also have the fantastic benefit of having the window frontage that you have. So you've got window frontage here and also here. So you do have a lot of presence on the street. As you can see, it's a great size space, quite neutral really, so you can pretty much come in and put your stamp on it. You've got lots of original details as well, which are quite nice. And as we come through here, you come into what was the kitchen area. So you can see you've got your cabinetry here, you've got your plumbing, you've got freestanding areas for your white goods if you wanted to have them. But again, this is a great space as well. You know, if you wanted to make this into some kind of food retail outlet, you'd need to obviously apply for the necessary planning, but there is a window to the back as well. So, you know, if you do need to get venting done, there is a potential to do that as well. But as I say, you would need to seek the necessary planning and permissions for doing that. Really great space in here, isn't there? And the fact that you can come out here and you can just see how much space you have in this segment as well. On top of that, you also have a WC in there as well. So it functions for everything that you would need from a business. If I come down here, these are great window frontages, aren't they? And you can see just how much space you have there. So just to recap for you, this is a personal property tour for 75 Dunnikier Road in Kirkcaldy. It is on a great spot, this retail unit. It's been a multifunctioning unit previously, so many uses for it. You'd need to explore, obviously, and get necessary planning depending on what you wanted to utilise it for. But you can see you've got this frontage as well, so you've got the street presence, which is fantastic. It's in a great location as well. You're right at the junction as well, where Charlie Reid Travel is. Everyone knows where that is. So you've got a good thoroughfare there as well. Lots of foot traffic and other traffic going past. If you think this one is going to be of interest to you, you can message me here directly. And likewise, you can reach out to the team on 01592 75 2000. All the information is in the link above. If you click on that, you get the property information and also the price point. But if you want information, you can reach out to me directly. And it's Perry at 5 Properties TV. Take care. Bye-bye.